How to see old call history on iPhone. So go ahead and open up your phone application. Tap on the recents icon between the favorites and contacts. In this page is your call history, and you can categorize them into all or missed calls. After that, just scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Now swipe left the call on the very bottom and click on delete. Once you do this, a new call history from your log will show. This is because the reasons showing here are just limited to 100, but the data of your phone call history are still stored in your phone. So as you delete and delete a call here on the bottom, another phone call will appear. So if you click on the information icon, which is the blue eye here, more details will show, such as the date and the time when the call occurred. So that is how to see old call history on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.